What's up guys, it's the Corvette coming back at you with another video. So today's just going to be a quick short video. I have some cool carbon fiber trim pieces for the steering wheel that we got, and we're just going to put those on today. I'll kind of show you how to put them on. If y'all do want some just like that, and there'll be links in the descriptions below where I got these from if you'd like some for your C7 Corvette as well. But let's go ahead, be a short video, let's go ahead and get into it, okay? Alright guys, so here I have the pieces. Sorry about the wind noise. Here I have the pieces, one for the bottom part and then one for the top part. Now it's just got, you know, the vinyl backing on it or whatever, the sticker, the adhesive sticker, so that way we can stick it on there. But let's go ahead and get into the car so we can go put them on. Alright, let's see here. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and just clean off this surface real quick here. Now once it's dried, let's go ahead, we'll take out the piece. There's the piece there. It's gonna go on just like so. We could do the top first. That's the one I think I'll do. Okay guys, now the last one's off, so let's go ahead, let's place it right on the steering wheel here and just kind of line it up. So then let's go ahead, start taking this tape off the bottom part, and we'll start to do that one. Alright guys, so the bottom part is off now, so let's go ahead and we'll just kind of place it right underneath like that, and then go ahead, start to kind of conform it to that bottom part, just pressing down. And voila, easy as that. Looks very, very good if you're wanting to kind of spruce up your steering wheel there with some aftermarket parts to kind of make all the rest of the carbon fiber pieces look really good. Alright guys, well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I just wanted to make this quick install video just so y'all could see the carbon fiber pieces on the steering wheel. Hope y'all liked it. Remember, there is going to be a link in the description below if y'all do want something just like this for your steering wheel. But until next time guys, y'all stay awesome and have a good day. Later.